Stop by and take a look at the 2009 Solstice. The Solstice is a high-performance ride wrapped up in a daring head-turning design. Enjoy the Solstice's unique combination of powerful turbo roadster and incredible 28 miles per gallon fuel efficiency, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.